Today I am reviewing Dome 2 Air Fryer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Welcome to our full review of the Dome 2 Air Fryer, the latest innovation in smart, extra-large air fryers. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or just love crispy, golden food without the extra oil, the Dome 2 is designed to transform your cooking experience. Starting with the design, the Dome 2 air fryer features a sleek silver exterior and a surprisingly spacious 5.6 quart capacity, which means you can cook up to 32 chicken wings at once, or multiple steaks, bacon, and even frozen foods in one go. Its size and capacity make it perfect for family meals or when entertaining guests. Despite its size, it maintains a modern, compact footprint, measuring just 17.3 inches deep, 15.5 inches wide, and 9.7 inches high, so it won't overwhelm your kitchen countertop. One of the standout features of the Dome 2 is its 360-degree airflow technology. Inspired by professional pizza ovens, this smart airflow system reduces cooking time by up to 30%, allowing for faster, more even cooking. Dual heating elements at the top and bottom, paired with advanced temperature sensors, ensure that your meals are cooked thoroughly without the constant need to shake or flip the basket. This means you get evenly cooked, crispy results every time, whether you're air frying, roasting, or baking. The Dome 2 also excels in versatility. It comes with 15 one-touch smart cooking programs, covering almost everything you could imagine in a kitchen appliance. From pizza, bacon, wings, and fries to grilling, roasting, dehydrating, baking, and even reheating, this single appliance replaces multiple kitchen tools, saving space and effort. Its touchscreen interface is intuitive and easy to use, giving you precise control over temperature, time, and cooking functions. Speaking of control, this air fryer is also app-enabled. You can operate it remotely, schedule cooking sessions, or even monitor the progress through your smartphone. And for maintenance, it features a self-cleaning mode that removes grease and stains from the top cavity in just 2 hours. Pair this with a non-stick ceramic-coated basket, and cleanup is effortless. You no longer have to scrub stubborn residues or worry about PFAS or other harmful chemicals in your cookware. Cooking with the Dome 2 is not only convenient but also quiet. Operating at just 55 decibels, it runs whisper-quiet compared to many other air fryers, so you can cook without the loud, disruptive noise. This makes it perfect for early mornings or late-night snacks without disturbing anyone. Performance-wise, the Dome 2 is impressive. Thanks to its 1,750-watt power output, it can cook food quickly and efficiently. For example, you can prepare 32 chicken wings in just 14 minutes, 2 steaks in 8 minutes, or 10 slices of bacon in 10 minutes. Its wide temperature range, from 95 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allows for everything from slow cooking to high-heat crisping. Another feature worth highlighting is its durable, high-quality construction. The non-stick ceramic basket is metal-reinforced, PFAS-free, and dishwasher-safe, which means longevity and safety go hand in hand. Combined with a sleek silver design and easy-to-read digital interface, the Dome 2 is both functional and stylish. Finally, this air fryer has received excellent reviews, boasting a 4.6 out of 5-star rating from nearly 700 customers, which speaks volumes about its reliability and performance. It's also ranked highly in the kitchen and dining category and is considered one of the top large-capacity air fryers for 2024. In conclusion, the Dome 2 air fryer is perfect for anyone looking to save time, cook healthier meals, and enjoy versatile, easy-to-use kitchen technology. With its extra-large capacity, advanced airflow system, quiet operation, 15 cooking functions, app connectivity, and self-cleaning mode, it stands out as a premium choice for home cooks and air fryer enthusiasts alike. Whether you're frying, roasting, baking, or grilling, the Dome 2 ensures that every meal comes out delicious, crispy, and evenly cooked. If you're ready to upgrade your cooking experience and make meal prep faster, healthier, and more enjoyable, the Dome 2 air fryer is an investment worth making.